next, it's a featherweight matchup between Edgar Barao and the former UFC lightweight champion, Frankie Edgar. The pride of Toms River, New Jersey, Frankie "The Answer" Edgar is all about constant movement. He comes in with great combinations and puts more punishment on his opponents. And he pulled off what many considered one of the greatest upsets back in 2010 in Abu Dhabi when he defeated BJ Penn to become the UFC lightweight champion. Frankie Edgar back in the octagon. In his first run, Edgar Barao defended his UFC bantamweight championship 3 times, and that included a victory over Uriah Faber. The 100th black belt in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu under Andre Pederneiras, the leader of the famed Novo União team, Barao is looking to put on another show tonight.
Edgar Barao started out as a boxer and then developed his impressive jiu-jitsu skills. He's got a great triangle choke and trains at Novo União with Jose Aldo.
Edgar Barao set to fight Frankie "The Answer" Edgar. Our tale of the tape for this featherweight showdown. Edgar is 5 years his elder. Barao will have a 2-inch reach advantage. And now with our official introductions, here's Bruce Buffer.
Ladies and gentlemen, this fight is 3 rounds in the UFC featherweight division. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, a freestyle fighter holding a professional record of 19 wins, 5 losses, and 1 draw. He stands 5 feet 6 inches tall, weighing in at 145 pounds. Fighting out of Toms River, New Jersey, USA, Frankie "The Answer" Edgar! And now introducing his opponent, fighting out of the red corner. This man is a mixed martial artist, holding a professional record of 35 wins, 4 losses, and 1 no contest. He stands 5 feet 6 inches tall, weighing in at 145 pounds. Fighting out of Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, presenting the former UFC featherweight champion, Edgar the Baron Barao! And when the action begins, our referee in charge, Mario Yamasaki.
Mario Yamasaki, our referee.
You ready? You ready?
Here we go. Fight scheduled for 3 5-minute rounds. White trunks for Edgar. Black trunks for Barao. Joe, we're underway. We've got a great striker and an outstanding submission specialist. And, of course, the man with the great jiu-jitsu background would like to get this fight on the ground and look to finish this fight quickly. Good pro fighters always move well side to side. Counter uppercut by Barao.
Misses the takedown.
He just missed with the straight right.
Frankie Edgar with a lightning-fast, accurate jab.
Back and forth. Beautiful overhand right by Edgar.
They're going after it quick here.
Joe's strong right-left combo by Barao.
Missed the mark.
That's a nice punch by Edgar. Joe, he's really on point with his strikes tonight. Just over 3 now.
Frankie Edgar really finding the range with that jab tonight.
Absolutely, partner. He's doing a nice job with that jab. Edgar with a solid leg kick.
And there's another nice kick. Very nice kicks here.
That connected. Good defense with the parry. Edgar with the jab. Big left, swing and a miss.
Nice
inside leg kick,
one
yeah.
there. Jab.
Doing a good job with his strike. Great hook by Edgar. Softening his opponent up. They clinch. Great trip, and he completes the takedown.
He's got a clinch.
Joey's looking for some control here.
He's got double underhooks.
And he takes his back here.
He's got his back. He's got the choke. Oh, that's tight, Mike. That is tight.
Great submission defense.
Beautiful defense. He's got to make some sort of attempt to get out of this guard.
Solid shot with the left by Barao. Head kick. Flying knee.
Barao is bleeding here. Nice inside leg kick. And a right behind it. Good job landing that series of punches here. Frankie Edgar with a very high volume of strikes in this fight.
Edgar with a good jab.
Very nice shots landed.
Got caught by that left. The horn sounds for the end of round number 1.
Let's take a look at some of the action in that round here. And there's a nice knee to the body. And here's another knee to the body. And here's one more perfectly placed shot to the body. Incredible highlights in that round.
And the lovely Brittany gets us started for round number 2.
Here you go, second round. You ready? You ready? Let's
Round
go.
2.
Nice leg kick, very quickly done.
Big
Huge elbow to the head. Body kick, look at that. Hard straight punch.
Wow, what a great job mixing things up.
I'm surprised he hasn't looked for a takedown yet.
Total strikes landed. Look at those numbers. Completely dominant. And he parries it.
Powerful leg kick.
Big right hand.
Oh! What an exchange!
Joey's making him miss, and he's making him pay. Outstanding counter strike. Connected there.
And he winds up on top.
Joey's looking to set up another counter here.
Looking for the choke. He drops down for it. Oh, he's got it locked in. That's tight.
He might just finish it right here, Joe.
And he gets out. Wow, that was a deep choke.
And into the guard.
Trying to take the back here. That's a clean left hand. And now he's in full mount.
And they're up.
Flying knee attempt.
Nice jab. Frankie Edgar's aware that his opponent's hurt, and he's looking to continue to do damage.
He certainly is targeting that cut. You can absolutely tell he's zeroed in on it.
Man, some nasty body shots, and you can see the bruising starting on the left side. Edgar with a good uppercut.
Both men landing in that exchange. Frankie Edgar with a barrage of strikes in this fight. He's extremely active tonight. He's really doing a good job of controlling distance and getting off these shots. Another nice counter.
Solid leg kick by Edgar.
Very nice kicks. Oh!
Maybe a little bit longer than we expected, but now the fight is on the ground. Let's see if he can get a submission finish here. He went right back to that position. We have completed 2 rounds.
seguro, assim mesmo. Agora...
Let's take a look here. And here's a nice shot, lands perfectly. And here's another clean shot that lands. And another perfectly placed strike.
The lovely Ariani, here tonight inside the MGM Grand Garden Arena in Las Vegas, Nevada.
Here we go, final round. You ready? You ready?
Third and final round. Joe, that was a good... Oh, big right hand!
Big shots!
Combination!
He's out! He's out! He's out! Unbelievable! Look at this!
Frankie Edgar, the victor!
Wow! What a statement that man just made! Perfectly placed strike to end the fight.
Time now for our fight replay.
Let's see it again. Check out this angle here. Boom! Right on the button.
Bruce Buffer has the official decision.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Mario Yamasaki has called a stop to this contest at 11 seconds of round number 3. Declaring the winner by knockout, Frankie the Answer Edgar.
Frankie Edgar, winner by knockout.